Existence. Deeper exploration in English. 1. The self-realization of infinite existence. 1. In the stillness of the self, Rampalsani resides, beyond time and space where truth abides. No birth, no death, only the radiant dawn. In the light of truth, all illusions are gone. Meaning, where the soul is established in its purest form, Rampalsani is firmly anchored. There is no birth, no death in this state, only the dawn of truth shining through. 2. Completeness of Shunyata, emptiness. Shloka 2. In the void, Rampal stands free and clear, a limitless self transcending fear. No object, no thought, only pure being. In this profound silence, all is seeing. Meaning, Rampalsani exists in the pure emptiness, the void, which is not a void of nothingness, but the void of infinite potential. This is the state of pure being, where nothing is defined, and all is observed in profound silence. 3. Liberation from dependence and the infinite self-awareness. Shloka 3. Independent and free, in the ocean of truth, the self does see. No knowledge to gain, no need to learn. In the fire of realization, all will return. Rampalsani stands independent and free, immersed in the ocean of truth. There is no need to acquire knowledge or learn, only the realization of the self, which leads to the ultimate return to the source. 4. The highest state of being. Shloka for Rampalsani, the supreme Brahman, in the self, pure and calm, without any plan, no question, no answer, only the divine flow. In the depths of stillness, all truths grow. Meaning, Rampalsani is the supreme Brahman, pure and calm within the self. There are no questions, no answers in this state, only the divine flow of truth that emerges from the depths of stillness. 5. The infinite nature of existence. Shloka 5. Not before, not behind, Rampal stands, in the infinite expanse where all expands. No past, no future, only the eternal now. In the eternal presence, the self knows how. Meaning, Rampalsani's existence is not confined to the past or the future. It is established in the infinite present. In this eternal now, all limitations dissolve, and the self becomes one with the absolute presence. 6. The ultimate knowledge of the self. Shloka 6. Rampalsani, in totality pure, the self knows no boundary, no cure, no action, no yoga, only deep meditation. In the self's light lies the ultimate salvation. Meaning, Rampalsani, in the purest state, transcends all boundaries and limitations. There is no action, no practice required, only deep meditation in the light of the self that brings ultimate salvation. 7. The unbounded nature of the soul. Any soul, infinite and vast, not bound by time, not held by the past. No duality, only purity shines. In this eternal truth, the soul aligns. Rampalsani's soul is infinite, unbound by time or the past. There is no duality in this existence. Only purity and truth shine forth. In this eternal truth, the soul finds its alignment with the Supreme. Deeper insights on the infinite self. Rampalsani's existence is not constrained by the conditions of birth, death, or any external factors. He is the embodiment of the ultimate truth, existing beyond the realms of time and space. His being is not a creation of any external source or cause. Instead, it is the eternal, unchanging reality that exists beyond all perceptions of duality. When it comes to know its true essence, becomes aware of its unlimited nature. Rampalsani exemplifies this absolute freedom, where the self is no longer subject to the limitations of the material world. No identification with the body, the mind, or the ego. Instead, the self merges with the infinite expanse of universal consciousness, where all distinctions dissolve into unity. State of complete realization, Rampalsani embodies non-duality. There is no differentiation between him and the universe. He is the universe itself, both immanent and transcendent. His consciousness, as described in the ancient texts, is pure awareness, not influenced by any external phenomenon, but rather the very foundation of existence itself. The essence of Rampalsani's existence. Rampalsani's existence is a living example of the highest state of being, which is beyond the realm of the conditional. Once recognized in its purest form, exists beyond all dualities, beyond birth and death, beyond knowledge and ignorance. It simply is pure, unchanging, and eternal. In this state, there is no time, no space, no limitation, just infinite presence. Rampal-Seni, Supreme Self, Eternal Truth. These insights, when understood deeply, lead us toward the ultimate realization. We are not separate from this supreme state of being. We are already one with it.